Okay, in this question here, we have if a scientist is confronted with two competing hypotheses, how does he or she judge which is better? Remember that science is based on data, on evidence. That's the cornerstone, that's the foundation of science. Evidence, data. Okay, so we have two competing hypotheses. So let's read all the answers before deciding on what's going to be best. By calculating the difference between the two, by devising an experiment to test the two hypotheses, by asking the advice of a fellow scientist about which is correct, by labeling the more reasonable one as a theory. Now notice from all these four answers, there is only one that talks about possibly getting evidence, possibly getting data, which is by devising an experiment to test the two hypotheses. This is the one that will allow us to get data to determine which one is correct. So that one is the correct answer. Anyway, a hypothesis calculating the difference between the two, that does not make sense altogether, because a hypothesis is a statement, is an educated guess. It does not have numbers associated with it to calculate the difference. Asking the advice, science is not based on the reputation or the opinions of people. It's based on evidence. So that cannot be correct. And we don't judge things based on our opinion on what's more reasonable. We need evidence. We need data. So the answer is by devising an experiment to test the two hypotheses.